So this is a team contributed by the collector for the direction of the city. They are checking all the units. So today they have come to Colva. We have already started on the beach. So we have wanted to verify. There is nothing harm in it. We are going to only see what safety precautions over there. And he is from fire department. Needs to be done. Whatever is there, they are going to note down. And then you will have a one which kind of comply by it. And then if there are some flaws or not, we are going to take another inspection, but we will not do some other inspection. On that day, then maybe you would like to go and check. Yeah.
It's not a dance bar. It's like running like a bar restaurant only, no, sir?
Not pub.
Pub and
See. You are clearly mentioned here that bar and restaurant. You
Correct,
have
sir.
opened the bar and restaurant.
Themes are different. There is no specific license for a pub or anything.
No, they are.
We are operating and we don't have a kitchen here. Kitchen is not there. Kitchen we take from the other side. We take the food from side restaurant. Sir, असे ये बाहेर येतात.
एक्झिट म्हणजे 3 एक्झिट door
नाही तुमका खबर आता गॅस्टांकडून खबर आहे तुझ्या.
अरे सर आम्ही सायलेंट मारतोय आता.
हा ओके बट यू तू बाबा
कसे असा
कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर
कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर
9767.
तुम्ही होय सांगता मला राईट नॉट तुम्ही एनओसी घेतात माझे हे अशें जाता काल जाला मागीर कितें आमकां गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटाक मागीर आमकां रिस्पॉन्सिबल जाता.
9767016858.
Department has issued an order notifying a joint enforcement and monitoring committee to check the use of the pyrotechnic devices, sparklers and other thing, and also to see whether fire NOC, fire extinguishers and other things are there available in the tourist establishments in the coastal belt. 2 teams have been constituted for South Goa district, 1 team comprising of or covering areas such as Salsette and Mormugao, another team covering areas such as Kankon and Kepe. The teams have already gone to the field for inspection. The teams are headed by senior time scale officers and the team comprises of pullers, PI, then beat pullers, then we have put Mamlatdars to assist them. We have people from PWD Civil Division, PWD Electrical Division also. So they are already there in the field to do the inspection. Today they are doing inspection in Colva and in Kankon. And also apart from this, we have issued a 163 order banning the use of pyrotechnic devices, sparklers, smoke devices and all inside indoor premises, which are basically used for tourism and other things.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.